But the condition where what image image form into perpendicular what? Mirror. So if two mirrors are what? Perpendicular with each other, that is, if they said two mirrors are perpendicular with each other, simply means what? The angle between the two mirrors is what? Right angle. Mirror 1, mirror 2. So that is what? The angle we have between the what? Mirror 1 and mirror 2 here is what? Is 90 degree. That's the meaning of what? Perpendicular. So you are now have what? An object here. This is what? Our object. So if object placed between two perpendicular mirror, what will be the what? The number of image what? Form. Can I say what? The number of what? Of image here, it will be equal to what? 360 over what? Theta minus what? Minus 1. From that formula. So you now have what? Number of image is 360 over 90 degree minus 1. The number of what? Of image form, divide it to give you what? 4 minus 1. You will have number of what? Of image form as what? 3 images. So whenever you are given that what? Two mirrors are perpendicular what? With each other, what will be the what? The number of what? Of image form what? In them. The next one is what? If two mirrors are parallel with what? With each other. So let us look at it now. Image form in two what? Two parallel what? Mirror. Where image formed in what? Two parallel what? Mirror. When two mirrors are parallel with each other, what will be the what? The kind of what? Image form. Let us check it here now. This is the first what? Mirror. This is the second what? Mirror. This is M what? M1. This is M what? M2. And then we put what? Object here. So we put what? Object here. Say what? The first, let me put object, my object at what? On top. Assume this is my what? This one is not okay. Then I put my object here. And we have what? The first A, it reflects like this. It reflects back. This reflects back. It reflects what? Back like this. And we have another one come like this. It reflects back like this. back like this. So, and to know the what? So to know the kind of image form now, you will now draw a what? A broken line from here and this point where they what? They intersect. You draw another one, draw another one like this. Hmm? So this point of intersection here, and likewise this one too. Mhm. So this point of what? Intersection here is what we have what? At this particular point, we have image. Image. This is first image. This is second image. This is third what? Image. This is what? The how the formation of image form in a what? Two parallel what? Mirror. So if you want to know the what? The number of image form here, you will now use what? Number of what? Of image equal to the what? 360 over theta minus 1. Number of what? Of image is equal to the what? 360 over what? What is angle between two parallel lines? Is what? 0. Two parallel lines, we have 0 here minus what? 1. So the number of image here will be what? Infinity is 0 minus 1 is 1. So the number of what? Of image form in two parallel what? Mirror is what? In what? Infinity. So this kind of mirror, we used to have it in what? In a saloon. So, and the last one, what is the number of image form in the plane mirror? Is what? Is one image. Abi, you can confirm it. 360 divided by what? 180 minus 1. You get your final answer. So look at what? The uses of plane what? Plane mirror. So the plane mirror, first one is what? Is used as a dressing mirror in day-to-day activities. We can use it as what? As dressing what? Mirror in day-to-day what? Activities. We can use plane mirror for construction of what? Dressing what? Mirror in day-to-day activities is used in what? In construction of periscope. So the periscope is an instrument that is used to see an object in a round corner through angle what? 45-degree. That is what? Periscope. And this is the structure of periscope. The periscope is look like this. Mhm. 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 So this is how periscope do what? Look like. And this side is what? Is mirror. This side is what? Is mirror. So if you put what? An object here. So this object will reflect like this, and we use the eyes here. This is what? Eyes that we use to what? To see the object. This is what? Periscope. And we also use what? Mirror, plane mirror for construction of kaleidoscope. True angle what? 60 what? Degree. We also use plane mirror for construction of what? Of mirror galvanometer. And we also use mirror for construction of what? Of sextant device. What? Device. So those are the what? The application of what? Of plane mirror we have. So that is all about what? Reflection of what? Of light. So in the next class, we'll move to the what? Reflection of the curved mirror.